Yo, what's up guys, and today I'm going to be giving you a web development crash course. This series will go on for quite a while. It's just going to go from the basics to absolute professional. I hope I can help you a bit, but I'm going to go into the first step and help you organise your computer to do this. So the first thing you want to do is right click over here and press disk management. Over here I've already done it, but you want to right click on one of your drives and right click, press shrink volume, and so total size, and it gives you how much it's shrinked and how much you want to shrink. So this is in megabytes, so if you want to do 2 gigabytes you'd have to put like 2000, so which is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do, I'm going to do 5000. I'm going to shrink it. And as you can see over here, I've got 5,000. We've got 5 gigabytes of unallocated space. What you want to do is right click, new simple volume, next, next, and then you want to assign the letter to the drive, next, and then you want to press next again and just finish it. As you can see here, it comes up as a new drive. You want to open it in your folder, and we have essentially just got a new hard drive sort of thing. That's what I did for this second drive. Oh no, it's not. That's what I did for this music drive, and this is what I'm going to do with this. So just name this web development course, and just press continue, and then you can open this up. And the next thing you want to do is you want to get a code thingamajiggy. So go on Google and open up something here, and there's a few, so I'm just going to bring up Atom, Visual Studio Code, which is already I've got, Notepad++, which is right here. So yeah, these are the 2 recommended ones. There's also, there's one that I forgot. It's like Sublime Text 3, which I'll actually use for this course. So here, you want to open it. I'm going to use Windows 64-bit, which it'll start downloading here. Right, so let's wait for this to download. Now it's downloaded, let's just open it. Press yes for that. It'll be blank screen, but there we go. Install it. Just press finish setup. Alright. Let's just open it up, Sublime Text 3. Let's just not get it. And then you want to do new file here. And then press Ctrl S and save it. You want to go down here to your web development course, and you just want to put in index.html. You can name this whatever you want, but for your home page it's recommended to put index down because a Google or whatever it is would read that as the page that you should use to open. So let me just give you a quick example. So Facebook, this is their index thingy, file, and so you will automatically open that when you click on the first link. So here we are, and we have got it all set up. Want to open it, HTML, and it automatically puts it in. If you have not got it and you're using Notepad++ for just example, type this in now. Right, so for our title, this is what appears up here. That's what our title is. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to put just home and then course. You don't have to put that, but just put whatever you want. The next thing is I'm going to show you the different texts and what happens with it. So let's do paragraphs. Open a paragraph, and then as you can see, a occurrence that happens is that you have an opening tag here and a closing tag here. what happens here is that when you open a tag, you just type it like this. So you do an opening multi column arrows, and then you type what it is. So let's say P, and you close it. You type what you want in here, and you got to make a closing tag. So to do that, it looks like that, but all you got to do is put a slash in front of this bit here, and then that makes it a closing tag. So then HTML knows where it starts and where it ends. So we're just going to put here hello, and we're also going to put from H6, you can put hello as well. Let's just copy all of this. Let's paste it. So what happens here is we've got 7 different text types. So we've got paragraphs, and then we've got heading 6. 6 is what the H stands for. It stands for heading. And then we've got H6, H5, H4, H3, H2, H1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these all different headings. And they'll go this side. So yeah. What we're going to do now is we are going to open up our file explorer. We're going to open index, which is already here. As you can see, the paragraph is a bit bigger than H2 and H3, but about the same size as H1, H6 and H5, but about the same size as H4. Let's close off all these other tabs. And if you have 2 monitors, you can just bring it over to your other monitor, which is where I'm going to put it now. But I will drag it over when we need to preview our code. So, what we're going to do now is I'm going to delete these headings. Wait, no. Let's attach some CSS, which is styling. What we're going to do is I'm going to put style equals, and then we got our little quotation marks here, which shows that we're going to style it. We're going to put style equals color, which is a property. Okay, here. Let's add a semi. Between these attributes, you have to have a colon, and then space, and then put what your profile, whatever you want to put in there is your data, and then you want to put a semicolon at the end. So let's just say red. Actually, no. Yeah, red. And then I will bring up this. As you can see, it's made our red text red. I'm going to keep it zoomed in, but that is not what it should look like. As you can see, if I zoom back out to 100%, I'm going up to 500 though. What we're going to do is we're going to do that for every single one, but we're going to change our style, our colour every single time. Here we are. So we have got all of our text as set to colour red, and if we just refresh our page over here, all of the text is now red. We are going to put so let's do green, and let's do blue. So RGB, it's red, green, blue, obviously. And then we're going to do red, green, blue, and then we'll do red again. So we save that. Everything goes red, green, blue, red, green, blue, and then red again. Okay, let's go back up, and I'm going to show you a splitter. So what we'd like to do is, if we want to put a line, like a horizontal line in between all of this, want to make a new line between these, want to put space HR, which stands for horizontal, which will make a horizontal line, as you can see. To just save it, you have to save it each time you refresh it. So each time you make an edit, press Ctrl S or File and then Save, and then refresh your Chrome page. So what we're going to do is put HR here, and we're going to put it in between each, like each text. So over here, and then we're going to copy it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And we are going to open up our Google document again. As you can see, they're all divided. Now, those lines do not look the prettiest, but we are going to learn how to style these in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching, and please do have a good time watching this, learning how to do it, and please go on. My new episode will probably be posted by now. So yeah, please go and watch that and continue course. Thank you. Goodbye.